Hello guys. Um, Today we're gonna introduce a new design air conditioning unit. This is window unit, um, but the different design is this is window unit, the U-shaped design. So if you see this picture, you can see in the bit between the middle, the cutoff. So the other um, um, wire it's under here. So most of part of it it's so when you close the window, you will close almost close down the window until like couple inch, 1, 2 inch, and then it will make the window unit run much quieter um, compared to traditional window units. And this is the difference is this window unit is um, compatible with Alexa and Google. So this is very good um, smart device that you can use. And the model number is MAW 0A V1QWT. It's 8,000 BTU, so it good for 250 to 350 square feet, like this kind of environment like this. And I think I got this from um, Indiegogo that they start producing this straight out from China, and standard one year's warranty, and the dimension is 19 by 21 by 13 inch, and use 115 volts. What is and so here it's writing say room size 350 square feet, but in Texas might not be 350 square feet. I would say 250 to 250 to 300 square feet should be decent enough for regular bedroom should be fine. And okay, uh, then let's open this. I mean, what else support? And mm, window freedom. It supports double side window, and yeah, it's by Midea company. This is one company that I know they made a lot of window unit or AC unit something like that. So let's see what's in there. I just got today, and let me open this. Okay. At the beginning, we have warranty instruction. And here is the shipment information. Okay, so here's a here is let me open this. So as typical, let me open this. We have the typical instruction. Okay, we have a rack sitting uh, on the outside. So those two gonna coming down and then support all weights outside. Like so, this is a rack outside. pretty good. I mean, a lot of units didn't come with the supporting rack, but this one do. I only paid like $300 for this, and then just two adjusting all the screws right here, and then oh, I think that's a remote. It comes with a remote too. Uh, those are the form. So this is a form that uh, put it on the side of the unit because this unit is like 2 inch gap at the end to connect outside. But on the, when you close down a window, that's need you just need the phone to stop on the both side that window gap. Okay, okay. Now it's everything down. Let's see. Okay, this is unit here. Okay, let me put them down. Okay, we have all the foam that insulate the uh, seal on the side of window. Uh, Here's a fun design that was what you can connect Wi-Fi, timer, eco mode, and then fan speed, sweeping. So sweeping. So this one you can open sweeping and distribute air. That's pretty good, unique function. So and then here's the information. The amps it runs like 8.75 amps. So it consumes about 90 watts, something like that. Uh, no, a 900 watts. So it consumes about 900 watts. Uh, it's compared. It's okay. It's not that much. So on the back, say this. So just being, I wish they have some kind of protection that the grill on the side protects damage with it. It won't cause any problem, but those can prevent the things coming in. Especially this is on outside, so you have something shaped to cover up with it. It's much better. Um, the good things is this kind of unit. For me, if I repair this, it's much easier. I can open on the back. This is unscrewed it. I can see all the things come here. It's much easier to open instead of window unit had to taking out repair. I might able to repair it without taking out whole unit if something goes wrong. Because the front you can take off. Just take off in the front like this. All the electronics to be accessible. I hope that not lost screw. So if I open here, it's gonna be replaceable filter here that just like a regular window unit, nothing different, and pretty much that's it. That's it. Putting so here's all of this. It's the form question and the mounting rack. That's pretty decent. Yes. Okay. Thank you for watching, and then I will install and test it. How is good this? Yes, definitely. It's in here. Definitely, it's about like 2 inch tall, but it isolates a lot of noise because the unit is outside. The compressor is outside. You so one thing is I don't like a lot of window units. It's because the whole units can connect together. The the motor they use a single motor running the fan and the 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 condenser fan and then the boiler fans, they use single motors running through the whole unit, and that's and then installation. When the compressor sound kick in, you can hear it because it's kind of connect. Even though there was a firework isolated, but the compressor sounds really loud, and then it's not good for people if you go to sleep, something like that. And this one, I bought this for my bedroom because I want a lower temperature in my bedroom. I mean, it's whole house, some area is tend to cooler than my bedroom, um, so I hope that can cooling down my bedroom more than I expect.
Okay, first up, I need sure which level we need it.